I would like to thank our sponsors also. Audience can visit the stalls of our sponsors to know more about the firms and their products. Our sponsors are Sonal Instruments, Sure Safety, Bender, powered by Polycab, and Cape Electric.
I would like to call Mr. A. Goldwyn Joseph, Head, Public Health Engineering Systems, HRC SBG, to present the bouquet to our guest, Mr. Uma Maheshwar Rao Bhogi, SC, Regional Inspectorial Organization South, Chennai, CEA. Ladies and gentlemen, we are privileged to have with us Mr. Uma Maheshwar Rao Bhogi, Superintending Engineer and Regional Inspectorial Organization, South, Chennai. Uma Maheshwar Rao Bhogi joined the Central Electricity Authority in 2008. Initially, he worked in the Northern Regional Power Committee, involved in operational and commercial aspects of Northern Regional Grid. Subsequently, he was involved in power system planning of Eastern Region and power system project monitoring. Presently, he is looking after the administration of measures relating to safety and electrical supply regulations. Prior to joining CEA, he has also worked in Madras Atomic Power Station, NPCIL, for 5 years as a scientific officer. It will be an honor to invite our venerable speaker to offer the keynote address to the gathering on the topic, Introduction to the National Electric Safety Regulation.
Good morning to everyone. Yeah. And this one, as you know, the electricity is a lifeline for us. So it is an integral part of our life. And this is electricity is the important drivers for economic growth. And for measuring any growth of any country, if you see that what is the capital electric consumption. So this one is India's per capita electrical consumption. So it is around 1200 to 1300 units per year annually. But if you compare with the average, the global average is around 3250. But in the advanced countries, the per capita energy consumption is around 10,000 units. So in that way, India is lagging behind so many countries. And if you see to increase the growth of the country and all, the state governments and the central government, they are doing rigorous workout to increase the power consumption and installed capacity. So as of now, the India installed capacity is 412 gigawatt. So out of which 236 gigawatt is the thermal, and nuclear is 6.7 gigawatt, and hydro is 47 gigawatt, and renewable wind, solar, and all these things is it combines to around 122 gigawatt. And as of now, the peak load met is around 215 gigawatt. So this one, if you see with the Honorable Prime Minister has issued in the international forum that we have to develop this renewable energy almost 500 gigawatt by 2030. So and our installed capacity will go up to 850 gigawatt. Out of 850 gigawatt, and 500 will come from the renewable energy sources. So with this one, if you see the renewable energy having a lot of variability, like solar and wind, if you see, if you are thinking about 500 gigawatt solar energy, when it is going to, when in the morning, it will start increasing the generation, and in the noon, it will be around, it will come to almost peak. When it is going to sunset, it will become zero. So managing such a huge capacity, 500 gigawatt of like 500 or 400 gigawatt energy by the other resources, it is very difficult. You say out of 500, the solar may be around 300, 350 gigawatt. That much huge power you have to compensate. The load balancing. So how we can do? This is the very much challenging target for the load dispatchers. So how to accommodate this? How to do ramp up and ramp down and all these things? And for this one, what we are doing is that we have to make the load curve as a flattening. The load duration curve, this one is, we have to flatten that curve. So for that one, what we are doing, we are doing the hybrid plants also, combination of solar and wind also, and we are going for the battery storage system, as well as we are going for this battery storage system, as well as the pumped storage plants. The pumped storage plants, you require so many things, so much of this capital investment is required. And we are doing the cross-border interconnections also. We have already made the cross-border interconnection with the Nepal, with the Bangladesh, with the Bhutan. We are trying to interconnect with the Sri Lanka also. And we are, as per this one government of India, we have made one team for one sun, one world, one grid, one frequency. So for that one, some documents also has been prepared. Because if you see, if you are interconnecting with so many countries, no, because sun will rise at India at some time, and some other countries in each another time. The peak will occur at one time here, at another time in other countries. So that means it will compensate. Whatever this energy, the energy exchange will be there, the overall productivity will be good. We can utilize the resources in a better manner. And if you see, we are going for 850 gigawatt of energy, and we are increasing the electrical transmission, distribution, generation system. And with that one, the safety is also very much important. If you see the electricity accident statistics, as of now, so 10 persons are dying every day because of this electrical accident. So this is, with the increasing system, we have to reduce the accidents. The system will become bigger and bigger. We have to act carefully, and we have to reduce this electrical accident to the minimum, and we have to increase the safety awareness. In this one, you see, for the safety of this one, so like we have to design the electrical system in a safe manner, like we should provide the adequate insulation resistance and reliable protections, suitable earthing, and desired fire and lightning protection. These all things we have to provide. And all this installation, they have to comply with these regulations, the safety 3 year safety regulations, BEC standards, NEC standard, all these codes of practice. We have to, the installation has to, they have to comply for it. So, in this one, to increase the safety culture and all, so like this program, the safety awareness programs, these are very much important, and government is also focusing, and CEA also behind that one. We have to increase the awareness of the safety. So finally, on behalf of our organization, and personally, I would like to appreciate this NFE, BIS, L&T Construction, and NABH for organizing it so wonderfully. Let us continue to work together to ensure safe and secure future for all. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for telling about the present India's electrical scenario and aspects of renewable aspects, and of course the safety features that needs to be included.